Hey guys, I'm Dan, one of the engineers at Mishimoto. Today I'm going to show you how to install our induction hose for the 2013 Subaru BRZ and Scion FRS. Tools needed to install the Mishimoto silicone induction hose on the 2013 Subaru BRZ and Scion FRS are 1/4" drive ratchet, extension, 10mm socket, flathead screwdriver, Phillips head screwdriver, and a pair of pliers. Installation time is about a half an hour and is a 1 out of 5 on the difficulty level. To remove the stock induction hose, you're going to loosen the clamp that holds the hose to the airbox, the hose to the throttle body, the PCV tube to the hose, and the sound generation tube to the sound generation canister. The Mishimoto induction hose comes with a couple extra pieces of hardware. First is a rubber plug that is used to block off the factory sound generation canister. Second is an optional CNC plug that can be used if you want the car to be a little bit louder to plug up the factory resonator hole, or you can reuse the factory resonator and get a couple extra horsepower. Before we install the induction hose, we're going to swap over some of the clamps from the factory hose onto ours. Using a pair of vice grips, hold the factory retaining clamp open, flip the hose upside down, and then remove the resonator. Okay, now take that factory retaining clamp, put it over onto the Mishimoto hose, and slide the resonator into the hose. Next, we're going to use the rubber cap to cover the factory noise generation canister. Once you've installed the cap, go ahead and take that clamp from the factory noise generation tube and swap it over to this. Okay, now we're going to install the induction hose into the car. Okay, next reinstall the PCV tube onto the induction hose. Okay, that concludes the install. Take a car out for a ride and enjoy your new Mishimoto products.